How to make text glow in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how to make your text glow in your Canva design. Well, you can see now Canva is all glowed up, and now we want to make also the text to be glowed up as well. And I will show you how to do so. And we are just going to be taking a text, creating it, and then I'm just going to download it as a PNG without any background, and then we can just go ahead and make it glow. But for the time being, I'm just going to show you how it works. So I'm just going to create a new design, and I'm just going to leave it as this size. Click on create a new design. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and upload the text that I want to make glow. So I'm just going to click on upload files here. Let me just go ahead and locate it, which should be in here. And as you can see, it does not have a background. So make sure it doesn't, because this one does. And if it does, then it's just not going to work. So let's just go ahead and select this one. And once it's actually done, we can just select it, and we should have it in our design. So now what we need to do actually is just go ahead and click on the text after we just uploaded it from here, and click on edit on the top of our screen. So just go ahead and click on edit. In the edit mode, we will be able to select effects to the text and so much more stuff. But what we want is the shadows effects. So just go ahead and click on shadows, and then we want to select glow. And you can see now we have the glow effect. Now, obviously, we can actually change the size to it, so we can actually make it larger or smaller. We can also change the blur amount, and we can also change the color to it. So we can actually make it glow red. We can make it glow yellow, which I will leave like that. And we can also do, for example, blue or green. I think I'm just going to leave it as this color right here. And we also have the intensity. So if you want it to be very intense glowing, you can do so. But it's just, if you make it like 100%, it's just going to look like an outline rather than a glow. But if you make it a little bit lower, then that's going to be working properly here for us. Let's just go ahead and change it a little bit. There you go. Blur amount is also going to increase the size, you can see. And I believe that's pretty much what I'm just going to leave it as. And then you can just basically resize it a little bit. And then you can just click on share and then just download. And we can just download it as a PNG and make sure it is a transparent background if you have the premium. And just click on download. And we should be good to go here. Now, what if you don't have this photo ready to go to just upload it and start working on it? You can simply just go to text and just go ahead and insert some text that you want, or maybe even find a glowy text font here that you can actually use. But we can just use a normal heading, type in whatever we want, so just normal text. Change how it looks like, so you can just go ahead and change the font for it and everything in between. And then you can just go ahead and download it as a PNG. And then afterwards, we can just simply edit it as a photo rather than a text format. With that being said, this is pretty much how to make your Canva text glow. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.